Are your team building activities running out of fresh ideas? Are traditional games no longer exciting enough? Tonghuan brings you the ultimate solution, the Inflatable Fun Sports Series. Designed specifically for corporate team building, large-scale events, and promotional activities, this collection offers a wide range of interactive games. Enjoy thrilling tug-of-war, competitive obstacle races, fun relays, climbing and crossing challenges, and giant inflatable props for team competitions. Whether it's a group of dozens or hundreds, these games instantly bring energy, laughter, and unity to the crowd. Hundreds of inflatable products for fun sports, which can be freely selected, matched, and combined. Built with heavy-duty, eco-friendly PVC material, our products are waterproof, durable, and pressure-resistant. Suitable for repeated use. Perfect for outdoor lawns, sports fields, festivals, trade shows, and even school events. With 17 years of customization experience, Tonghuan not only provides existing models, but also offers fully tailored designs in size, colour, and patterns to match your unique event needs. Factory direct supply, ready stock, and worldwide delivery to over 164 countries. With Tonghuan, your event becomes more fun, more professional, and unforgettable for every participant. Contact us to get the latest discount information